Hi, it's Raphael with Chess House, helping you bring home the ideal chess set. Here's the new Genius Pro 2024 edition by Millennium. I've had a chance to play a few games with it and I love it. It's got a bright LCD display, save game features, and many more things. The clean presentation of the ChessGenius Pro. The board is set up, there are extra queens, and to begin a game you would press on the square to and from. Insert the 4 AA batteries. It can also be powered with an adapter if you choose to purchase one separately. You can get hints, the brightness, power off at any time to save the game if you want to walk away from the machine for a bit. If I make a move, E2, E4, it immediately shows the opening that the computer's chosen to play. You can also see very clearly on the screen every move input. Save and loading games. For example, if I select this, I could save a finished game, or in fact any game up to that point, to memory, one of 12 games you can save and replay. Fun levels that enables the computer to make mistakes you can take advantage of. Easy levels, tournament levels. To start a new game quickly, press the green button. Set the style of the computer, the opening book style, the sound level, the type of pieces shown on the main screen. The pieces feel nice and stable. The board can be inverted, and there's just the right amount of strength in those magnets to make this very portable. The Genius Pro 2024 really steps it up, and it'll be the ideal chess computer for beginners as well as advanced or experienced chess players. It's possible for you to just set aside a computer, get in your quiet space, and enjoy chess at any time. There's no need to schedule it with a friend. Just go ahead and play.